my channel. It's Rachel. So I hopefully will have uploaded a video of customized and uncustomized box, and then I figured I'd upload this the same day. This is my add-ons for the summer 2021 FabFitFun. And so I do this every year. I get, or every year, every sale. And I usually get an add-on where I get a uncustomized box, which I showed in that last video. Put it up there. And then I always do a mystery bundle. So there will be a mystery bundle. We'll do that last. But let's just dive in here into this. They did throw in some freebies for if you bought a certain amount. I forget what the amount is. But anyway, they gave you these little Lumify redness eye relief drops. I don't use those much, but it's a freebie. And then they threw in a little this, which was something I was not expecting. So I'm just going to open this up and read their little card. I think this was like a gift for, it says, thank you for being a part of our FabFitFun family, FabFitFun family for as long as you have. And this is a curated gift as a gesture for how much we appreciate you. Happy anniversary. So it's an anniversary gift. I've been doing FabFitFun now for over 3 years, and I always pay for it out of my own money. So this is kind of a nice little gesture because most of the time they throw stuff at brand new people. So it's nice to actually give something to those of us who spend a buttload of money and don't really get, you know, I don't get anything from them. So anyway, this is the Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. Grown Alchemist is a solid brand, and I do like their products. They have very medicinal looking packaging, which is very nice. So there's that. This is probably like a $40 item. And then the other item here, which I think is also super duper cute, is the XO Sienna Felt Message Board. So I do want to put one up in here. Oh, this is so cute. This one's a little bit different than other ones I've seen. So I'm going to show you guys. This is so cute, and I love it because the colors actually really fit. So it's purple to gray brownish tone. Very, very cute. Yes, I definitely have to put this up somewhere. And it comes with all the little like felt things where you can write stuff. So I'll probably start using that. And then you have your little bag to put all the cards in. So that's super nice. And then the final thing here, which I'm going to give away to one of my friends or family members, is something I already have, which is the Giving Key necklace. I love this necklace. I have one of my own. It says Believe on it. It's a little tiny key. And this company does good by giving charity, or basically they employ homeless folks and help bring them out of poverty. It's a great company, but this is such a neat little necklace. I can't remember if I got it through FabFitFun or someone else, but I did get it through somebody. But I'm going to give this to someone I care about, and they can have this because it is absolutely adorable. So that was just given to me as an anniversary gift. Super cool. All right, so let's dive into the things I bought, and then we'll do the mystery at the end. So first thing, I've been talking about this in a lot of my videos. At some point I will actually do just a dedicated wellness video, but I have been on a journey of wellness, and one of the things I do on my journey of wellness is journal, or I try to journal. I attempt to journal. I have a monthly planner that I use every month, but it doesn't have a lot of space for actual journaling. So I thought this would be kind of fun. This is not the most like fancy looking journal book, but I just thought it was a nice concept. It's a daily journal book, and basically you have your little things here. It says like today's intention, top 3 goals. I'm a big write list type of person. I probably write way more lists than I actually do, and I like to list things out even if I don't get through it. And so yeah, the book like this appeals to me, but it basically just has every day where you have goals and that, and you have an evening reflection and a morning reflection. Very simple. Thought this would be a fun concept. I'm going to try it sometime in the next couple months. All right, I added this on from the actual boxes. This is the Way Detox shampoo with the scalp scrubber. I like detoxing shampoos, so I thought this would be nice to have. And then you have the scalp scrubber, which also looks really, really nice. I like Way products in general. Let's see if this smells really yummy. It's kind of sealed, so I'm not going to undo it. But anyway, I will definitely try this out. I'm about due to try a new shampoo out. So yeah. And then this, which I'm also going to try out because my scalp treatments are out right now, is the Tea Tree Soothing Scalp Treatment. So this helps remove buildup, pre-shampoo, sulfate-free, and paraben-free. So I thought this would be nice to try instead of like a ACV rinse that I use like once a week to get rid of all my dry shampoo. Try this instead. So I'm gonna go actually put this in my shower today so I can give this a try. All right, and then a few more things here. So along with my wellness journey, I've been doing yoga and other things, including with my Peloton. And so I thought it'd be nice to get some socks, specialized like bar socks or Pilates yoga socks. So these I bought. You know, you could have gotten socks in the actual box, but I think they were sold out when I went to go pick them as a possibility. So I just went ahead and got one pair of socks. So they have like mesh on one side, and then they have the grippies on the bottom so that when you do a pose, you don't go sliding everywhere. Now I use the mat, which usually keeps me from sliding everywhere, but I'm incredibly tall and occasionally my feet get off the mat and then they go on our wood floor and then I end up sliding. It's terrible. So I thought these would be fun to pick out. I guess in the pictures, I didn't remember them having the sparkles, but they're very sparkly and they're purple. But hey, I'm working out by myself. No one has to see these, so I'm okay with that. All right, and then I did get 2 pieces of clothing just to see. Clothing from this is hit or miss. You have to really be okay or know your size or be okay if it doesn't fit. And sometimes I find stuff that works really great and sometimes I find stuff that just doesn't work. So this is a sports bra, which is a little bit different. It goes around the neck and goes around the back. So I thought this would be interesting to try. I got the size medium. This is the halter in black. And then I got, let's see what this is. I think this was a shirt that I got. Yes, this is the Mono Bee Breezy Open Back Tank Top. So when I'm working out, especially when I'm biking, I have a little bit of cool air, but I don't have to just sit in my tank top and show the world my butt, and or not my butt, my belly. Anyway, so I got this. Again, I work out mostly at home, so if this stuff doesn't fit perfectly, it's okay. And nobody has to see it. So I'll try those on and let you guys know. All right, final thing here is the mystery bundle. For those that care, here is my mystery bundle number. So these are like just shy of $30, I believe. And sometimes they're great and sometimes they really suck. So we'll see. So first item here is the LMS Peptide Night Recovery Cream Oil. Cream oil. I think I have this one. Let's see. Is it cream and an oil or just cream oil? Oh. Huh. We'll have to try that out. I do like LMS products and I've had really good luck with them. So this is interesting. Cream oil. So this is, it's a night cream oil, combines the hydration of a moisturizing cream with protection of an oil. Sounds perfect for my dry skin. And it has the LMS 4 peptide, helps with the natural process with perilla seed and night scented stock oils to give the skin a rebalanced, restored, and replenished thing. Anyway, I'll try that out. I'm sure this is very expensive. LMS products generally are pretty pricey. But that seems like something I would use. So I'm okay with this. Oh boy, the Wish product. And I don't know how this one's gonna go. Wish Lip Treatment Duo lip scrub and lip balm. I've had some terrible lip scrubs from them. I mean, terrible. They're terrible. But anyway, this is the scrub and then this is the lip balm. Let's smell. It smells pretty good. Let's see. A lot of times their scrubs have this horrible aftertaste. This one's not bad. I know everyone's like, you eat lip scrub, but we all know when you're scrubbing your lips and then you lick your lips afterwards, you don't want it to have a terrible thing. That's not terrible. And then this is the lip balm. So actually this is not bad. I was a little worried when I saw that, but not terrible. All right, next item here is looks like a candle. I feel like you can't go wrong with a candle because you can always give these away if you don't like them. So this is by XO Sienna Floral Twilight. If it's real florally, a lot of times I'll give my candles to my husband, but oh, That is a lot less florally than I thought it was going to be. It's actually more cinnamony. This actually smells more cinnamony. This is not bad, actually. I'll have to see if my husband will like this one. It's definitely got a more cinnamony, like wintry type smell to it. That's nice. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, and then the final thing, it would not be a mystery bundle if you don't get an Ish product every once in a while. Ish makeup is not the greatest. I've had some of it just be downright bad in these and some of them be okay. And this is the color Innocent. It's a Hydro Matte lipstick. Okay, this is not terrible. Their Hydro Matte lipsticks are just okay. This is an okay color. Not terrible. Let's see what it looks like. That's a legit okay color. I'll use it. I think I got a purple color once that was molded. Terrible. It was terrible. But anyway, that is it. So, okay, mystery bundle. Overall good products. Anyway, tell me what you guys think. I'll see you later. Bye.